everyone. Today I will guide you through the Fatafat Merchant panel. Under this panel, you can have the different options like the home option, the orders option, the catalog, commissions and discounts. I'll begin with the home option. Under the home option, you can check all the sales and the orders which have been placed till date as well as the count of sales for today. Next we'll move on to the orders option. Under the orders option, you have a drop down wherein you can check all the pending orders, the orders which are in transit under the dispatch stage, the completed orders as well as the cancelled orders till date. You can scroll down to check all the orders which have happened. To view a particular order, you can click on the order ID. Herein you can check the customer number, the store name, the order time as well as the commission and the total amount. Under the details, you can find the description of the order with respect to the items for which the order has to be placed. Now, in the history, you can check the timings of the order placed by the customer and when the order has been completed. So this is a brief on all the orders which are there in the panel. Now we'll move on to the catalog section. This is a very important section because whatever changes you will make in this section will directly represent in the customer application. So you have to be very particular on the spellings of the products. Now, if under category you have to add a product, you will click on the add button. Once you click on the add button, you will add a category name. Like I am adding grocery here. And under the description is your choice if you have to add anything. You can drag and drop any images for the particular product as well. Now click on the add button. Now you can check the option of grocery has been added here. To disable, to delete or edit, you have the options here. Also you can add products under this particular category. For example, I am adding a product dals, suppose 1 kg. You'll have to add the price like 80 rupees, the quantity, and then similarly you can add a description or you can upload an image of your choice and then click on the add button. Now you can see that under the grocery option, dal has been added. Now we'll move forward to the menu option. Under this menu, you will get an option to add menu first. Now suppose you will add any test menu out here, you have to update the time slot for the particular store. In case it is open for all day, you will click on open for all day and close it. Otherwise, you can update the time slots. Now the third option is the layout option, how you want to view your menu. In a list view or a grid view, it can be a banner view as well. Similarly for the products, you have both the options. Now we are moving forward to the commission part. Now under the commission option, you can check the order earnings and commission for a particular order. Like we open the screen, you can check here 470 is the earning and rupees 79 is the commission. So for every order, you can check the total amount and the amount which is paid to the merchant. Now the next option is the discount. To add a particular discount for the entire application, you will choose the option set discount. Like I'm adding 20% discount, so it will add to all the products in the application. You can choose a date like from 25th of July till 30th July you want to add this discount. Time is also mentioned there. You can do that. Similarly, we can move on to the next option, that is a product wise discount. In case you want to add discount to a particular item, you can do that. Now next is the account. You can change your password from here, or anything you have to edit in your profile, you can do it from here and then you can log out.